kembali di The TOEFL Coach. Pada video kali ini kita akan membahas soal-soal lanjutan di bagian A, Part A dari Listening Sections TOEFL ITP. Namun sebelum kita mulai, bagi yang belum subscribe, silahkan dan klik the notification bell. Kita langsung ke soal pertama. Soal selanjutnya ya, yakni soal nomor 16. Soal nomor 11.
Number 11.
The prices at this store are really outrageous.
You can say that again.
What
Okay.
does the man mean?
The man say, you can say that again. Ini ekspresi persetujuan ya. Outrageous, tidak patut ya. Jadi kalau reasonable ini kontras ya. Kita eliminate yang A ya. Tidak membicarakan tentang jarak ke kota tersebut ya. Dan tidak dibicarakan juga tentang kota ya. Ini tidak sama sekali ya. Oke, jadi yang benar adalah yang D ya. Jadi simpan baik-baik kalau misalnya you can say that again, itu ekspresi menunjukkan kesetujuan ya. Kita ke nomor selanjutnya.
Number 12.
I don't like this weather very much.
We haven't seen rain like this for many years.
What does the man mean?
We haven't seen rain like this for many years. So this is one in many years type of rain gitu ya. Jadi ini hujan yang sudah banyak tahun tidak pernah datang. Dan womannya bilang, I don't like this weather. Jadi maksudnya pasti itu cuaca yang buruk ya. Oke, it has rarely rained this much ya. Jarang hujan seperti ini, hampir tidak pernah. Oke, kelihatannya betul, tapi kita tanda tanya dulu ya. It hardly rained this year. Kita berbicara many years katanya ya, tidak hujan seperti ini gitu ya. Tidak juga berbicara tentang tahun ini saja. Oke, it seldom rains so little. Kalau misalnya little rain itu kan tidak mengganggu ya, tapi wanita tadi bilang tidak suka. Berarti it's a heavy rain ya, maybe with thunder as well ya. Okay, so what the man says is jarang hujan seperti ini ya. Jadi jawabannya yang A ya. Oke, kita lanjut ke nomor 13.
Number 13.
Professor Martin, what do you think of the composition that I turned in last week?
Without question, you need to improve the quality of your writing.
What does Professor Martin say about the student?
You need to improve the quality of your writing. Ya, dari sini kita tahu bahwa tulisan si laki-laki itu student study ya tidak begitu bagus ya. Oke, jadi apa yang dimaksud dengan Profesor Martin ya? Kita lihat di sini, he needs to do a better job writing questions. Nah ini mungkin salah ya, karena tidak membicarakan pekerjaan ya. His writing must certainly be improved ya, without questions. You must improve your writing ya. Ini sepertinya betul. Kita tanda tanya dulu, kita ke C dan D. Without the questions, he cannot write the answers. Ini tidak membicarakan question and answer, tapi membicarakan compositions, tulisan ya. Mungkin essay gitu ya. Oke, we eliminate the he needs to understand the written questions better, ya. Tidak membicarakan questions ya, tapi membicarakan compositions. Oke, jadi yang betul adalah yang B ya. Kita ke soal selanjutnya.
Number 14.
Where should I go next?
You must stand in this line so that the agent can check your passport.
What does the man mean?
Jadi the woman must stand in line, must queue, ya. And then the agent will check the passport of the woman, gitu ya. The agent standing in line with passport, bukan. Ini instruksi untuk the woman dari laki-laki tersebut, saran ya. Okay, this is wrong. The time to get new passport is very long. No, ya. Tidak membicarakan tentang waktu ya. Wanita tadi cuma bertanya apa yang harus dilakukan selanjutnya. So the woman must wait her turn to get passport check. Standing in line sama dengan wait her turn, so that the agent can check your passport. Ya, ini sepertinya betul ya. Oke, he can check her passport instead of the agent. Laki-laki tadi tidak bermaksud mengecek paspor ya. Dia cuma menyarankan untuk wanita tersebut berdiri di antrian. Oke. Jadi yang betul C ya. Kita ke nomor 15.
Number 14. Number 15.
Did Paul get his work done?
He couldn't finish the assignment because the library was closed.
What does the woman say about Paul?
Dari sini kita bisa tahu bahwa Paul sebetulnya sedang mengerjakan assignment-nya ya. Mungkin di library ya sepertinya ya. Tapi tidak bisa diselesaikannya karena waktu open-nya library itu sudah habis ya, mungkin jam 4 atau jam 5 ya. Jadi tidak bisa menyelesaikannya. Jadi maksudnya wanita tadi adalah si Paul couldn't finish closing the library book. No, tidak membicarakan library book ya, tapi membicarakan assignment. He hadn't finished the library assignment, but was close. Hampir selesai maksudnya ya. Tidak ya, bukan library assignment, tapi assignment study assignment ya. Oke. He was working on the assignment ya when the library closed ya. Couldn't finish ya. Betul ya, ini sepertinya kalimat tadi maksudnya seperti itu. Oke. His homework was incomplete because the library wasn't open. The library was open, cuma pada saat dia sedang bekerja sudah tutup, sudah akan tutup gitu ya. Oke, jadi yang C ya. Kita ke berikut.
Number 16.
The lawyer spent hours and hours working on that case.
It's true that he prepared hard for the case, but his work was for nothing.
What does the man mean?
Oke. He works hard menurut laki-laki tadi ya. Oke. Dan perempuan itu juga bilang hours and hours working ya, berarti prepared ya. Lawyer tersebut terhadap case yang sedang dia kerjakan. But di akhir line di akhir kalimat dari laki-laki tadi, his work was for nothing, meaning he didn't get paid gitu ya. He wished her school had a deadline. No, tidak membicarakan schoolwork, tapi lawyer's work ya. He thinks the lawyer hardly prepared hours and hours, ya, and the man agree gitu ya. See, he wishes the lawyer had prepared. Dia admit kalau dia si lawyer tadi prepared, ya, apa yang dikatakan wanita tadi. He thinks the lawyer work for free. Ini maksudnya the key, ya. Okay. Jadi the answer is D. Nomor 17.
Number 17.
Do you know when the papers for Professor Jenkins' history class are due?
They're due next week, aren't they?
What does the man mean?
Okay, assignment for history class, due-nya kapan, ya? Berakhirnya kapan? Waktu untuk mengumpulkannya. Next week, kata laki-laki tadi, ya. Oke, jadi the history class bukan kelas, tapi assignment yang kita bicarakannya. He thinks the paper should be turned in next week. Yes, submit, turn in sama, ya. Oke, ini sepertinya betul, ya. Kita tanya dulu. He already handed over the paper for next week, ya. Mereka tidak membicarakan kalau laki-laki itu sudah mengirimkan atau mengumpulkan pekerjaannya, ya, tugasnya, ya. No, the papers are not due next week. Ini terbalik, ya, due next week, ya. The papers are due next week, ya. Oke, jadi the answer is B. Kita ke soal 18.
Number 18.
Are you happy with the work that the contractor did on your house?
I'm rather dissatisfied with it.
What does the man mean?
Ya, the contractor mengerjakan perbaikan rumahnya barangkali, ya, si laki-laki tadi. I'm dissatisfied with the work. Ya, dissatisfied padanannya atau sinonimnya not happy, ya, with the work of the contractor. Berarti ini sepertinya betul, ya. Is satisfied, dissatisfied dia bilang, ya. Jadi ini kontras. The contractor won't work with the supervisor. No, ini tidak dibicarakan, ya. He was already contacted about the work. No, tidak membicarakan ini, ya. The answer is A. Kita ke nomor 19.
Number 19.
I can't find a typist to finish my term paper by tomorrow morning.
Why not do it yourself?
What does the woman suggest?
Why not do it yourself, ya. Jadi nggak perlu typist lah, kerjakan sendiri tugas term paper tersebut, ya. Jadi maksudnya wanita tadi berkata the man should try another type of paper, tidak membicarakan paper, ya. Oke. Jadi ini wrong, ya. The man should locate the typist to type, tidak mencari lagi, ya. Sarannya bukan ini, ya, tapi do it yourself, ya. The man should make a type in the morning. No, tidak bicarakan. So kalimat A, B, and C. The D, the man should complete the paper without help, without typist, ya. Oke, correct D, ya. Yang terakhir.
Number 20.
I can't get this television set connected to the cable.
Oh, it's as easy as pie.
What does the woman mean?
It's as easy as pie. It's as easy as cooking a pie or preparing a pie, ya. So, she'd like some pie tidak berbicara tentang pie, tapi membicarakan tentang connecting cables, ya, to between machine, ya. It's easy to cook, tidak membicarakan cooking, ya. Task the man's working on isn't difficult, ya, as easy as.
Number
It's
20.
too easy. It's quite easy.
I can't get this television
Seems to
set
be
connected to the
correct,
cable.
yeah, the C
Oh,
one.
it's as easy
D,
as pie.
It's easier to prepare
What does the
pie
woman
than
mean?
do what the man is doing. No, dia tidak comparing, ya, maksudnya, ya, that it is easy. It is as easy as, sama, ya, sama mudahnya, ya, bukan lebih mudah, ya. Okay, this is wrong. Yeah. The answer is C. Demikian 10 soal tambahan untuk pembahasan soal-soal listening sections, utamanya part A. Sampai nanti kita ketemu lagi di insyaallah part B. Bagi yang belum subscribe, silahkan subscribe dan like serta share video ini. Demikian, sampai berjumpa di video berikutnya.